it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Lyrical 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Law Boss himself. Chronic Law, a price right. Music video. Alright? Law Boss, you don't know. Law Boss is out of this world. I've said it plenty of times on all his songs that I review. So it's not much more to say than just to jump into the song. So let's go. Let's go.
You know I cool then. Yo, from the price right, them under the price right. Parabellum 9 binds and never the high pint.
The play upon words are ready, dog. From the price right, them are dead at price right. If you know, you know, dog. If you know, you know. From the price right, them are dead at price right. Record the go, big up.
From the price right, them under the price right. Parabellum 9 binds and never the high pint. He's a juvenile, walk up and never drive by. Watch it trick like a wave and I tell you bye-bye.
The man them written at the song yet, brother. At the intro to the song. Man says a juvenile I walk up, brother, never drive by, bro. Another than a drive by, nothing. It's a juvenile I walk up on your dog. Juvenile. When you least expect it. When you think of peace and safety, so I go on Juvie, a sudden destruction. Juvie come to tell you bye-bye permanently.
From the price right, them under the price right. Parabellum 9 binds and never the high pint. He's a juvenile, walk up and never drive by. Watch it trick like a wave and I tell you bye-bye. Back push. We no keep hostage. Them afraid for cross we like flat bridge. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Yo! Credit lie, you need to move your bum buckle out and go in a dog. And that me I tell you, brother. You need to go out where you go, brother. That me I tell you. La boss, go out where you go, dog. You hear me say? Yeah. Yeah. The man say, yo, me not keep hostage, brother. Them afraid for cross me like flat bridge. If you know about flat bridge, you know, you know. I'll bike man afraid for cross flat bridge more time to dog. I swear. Jesus Christ.
You know I cool then. Yo, from the price right, them under the price right. Parabellum 9 binds and never the high pint. He's a juvenile, walk up and never drive by. Watch it trick like a wave and I tell you bye-bye. Back push. We no keep hostage. Them afraid for cross we like flat bridge. None of me dog no kidnap kids. Big Joe we cooler than box strings.
Cloth. None of the dogs not kidnap kids. Big Joe we cooler than box drinks. If you know, you know. Big Joe box juice. If you know, you know.
None of me dog no kidnap kids. Big Joe we cooler than box strings. Stay slow, the war more relaxing. Me no waste binds the house, they pass gasoline.
Squeeze slow. The war more relaxing. Yo, where the youth come from, dog? Like, where the fuck you my mates, bro? Where my mates, brother?
Stay slow, the war more relaxing. Me no waste binds the house, they pass gasoline. Yeah, I drive.
Me no waste binds. See house there, pass the gasoline. Wait up it, bumbo clot. Fire! Burn it down. Right there, so I like it.
And me dog no kidnap kids. Big Joe we cooler than box strings. Stay slow, the war more relaxing. Me no waste binds the house, they pass gasoline. Yeah, I dry like here without Vaseline. Pussy them not smart like my flat screen.
Yeah, I dry like here without Vaseline. Yeah, I dry like here. Never anybody said that in my life. Never, no song. Not even the Flatbridge line me ever hear. Not even the price right line me ever hear. From the price right, them are the price right. Yo, like this youth just keep finding metaphors and similes for days. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, I dry like here without Vaseline. Pussy them not smart like my flat screen. Yeah.
Pussy them not smart like my flat screen. That's how that could be flat screen TV or even the phone. Smartphone. Them not smart like it. Nope.
I dry like here without Vaseline. Pussy them not smart like my flat screen. Yeah. Double mouth chatty with the back, bro. Accident, axi, you run up in a Mack truck.
Double mouth chatty with the back, bro. I'm saying.
Yeah. Double mouth chatty with the back, bro.
Double more shot with the back broke. If you know, you know. You know you have to just flick it. Just broke the back. Put in the 2 shell. Don't ask me, I know. Officer, don't ask me, I know. Let's go.
Pussy them not smart like my flat screen. Yeah. Double more chatty with the back rock. Accident, axi, run up in a Mack truck. Head bust, my bro fly back up in a junk truck. AK binds just a fuck up in a man so. We do crime like Chopper and Pablo. Chop up and bag body send it to a fam now.
We do crime like Chapo and Pablo. Pablo Escobar and El Chapo in attack. Colombian cartel them. We do crime like them, bread, and them and the infamous.
Head bust, my bro fly back up in a junk truck. AK binds just a fuck up in a man so. We do crime like Chopper and Pablo. Chop up and bag body send it to a fam now.
Man, I post back your body well, chop up and send it back to your family, brother. Gruesome scene, graphic, nano heart.
14 clip longer than girl blouse. Them just a screw with a bag of bad man pose. From a price right, they kill it them. Split him head water front right back of digital.
From the price right, they kill them, split him head waterfront. Back at digital. What him say?
From a price right, they kill it them. Split him head waterfront right back at digital. Flow.
Waterfront right back at digital. Downtown no attack, but down a waterfront him attack. Alright.
From a price right, they kill it them. Split him head waterfront right back at digital.
From the price, so it have a next meaning to it though. Me know. Knowing law boss this rascal to have a next meaning to it. Sorry for me bad word them, but this rascal to have a next meaning to it.
From a price right, they kill it them. Split him head waterfront right back at digital.
Or it doesn't have a next meaning to it, but because of how law boss is, it just leads me to believe that it have a next meaning towards it. When you get to me, I say, because this youth is very talented.
14 clip longer than girl blouse. Them just a screw with a bag of bad man pose. From a price right, they kill it them. Split him head waterfront right back at digital. Floating a see couple niggas same kill himself. To other gonna chrome, can't see myself. We not have Gigi friend.
Floating a sea. People are saying kill himself. To other gonna chrome, me can see myself. Some tell us say, yo, they chrome well glisten down. So when them hold it up to him face, him can see himself in it clean.
I see couple niggas same kill himself. To other gonna chrome, can't see myself. We not have Gigi friend. Know this Obama from your city shell. When this fire juvie PC bed, don't get bro.
No, this Obama from your city shell. When this are gonna fire juvie PC bed, put you out on the house top in the morning for matches. Yeah. Son, so put out the matches, so make son dry it out.
Different, know this Obama from your city shell. When this fire juvie PC bed, don't get bright like Browning, Icky them Portland have a rifle and me no lift it yet.
Don't get bright like Browning, Icky them. You know when you put a icky on a brown girl neck, it will stand out. It's like it bruise. Don't get bright like Browning, Icky them. Bumbo clot. Yeah, me well want to pull up the song, but I can't pull up. I forgot.
Don't get bright like Browning, Icky them Portland have a rifle and me no lift it yet. From me price right, them under the price right. Parabellum 9 binds and never the high pint. Is a juvenile walk up and never drive by. Watch it chick like a wave and I tell you bye bye. Much is clean badness, bag a bat fly fully dark. So the 15 have a flashlight. Rockford we no shoot man and lock eye. Boy did a church front couldn't bother baptize.
Boy the dead at church front couldn't bother baptize. Yo, we not shoot man and lock eye, brother. We not afraid when we are do it or not say yo everything I connect. So me go up my eye and look, cause remember say we are seasoned to this. We are not new to this. So we not feel lucky and a squeeze trigger. No, we are get everything. We are see you get it too. Yeah, that's what I say.
Much is clean badness, bag a bat fly fully dark. So the 15 have a flashlight. Rockford we no shoot man and lock eye. Boy did a church front couldn't bother baptize. Yeah. Bad from long time. Give him to a shot from him bad mind. Scope them a zoom and never the class online. Drive by park.
Scope them a zoom and never the class online. If you don't know about online classes, you know, see a zoom it keep over. Scope them a zoom and never class online. Bumbo class, scope zooming. Never zoom. Never the zoom app. Online.
Wait shot from him bad mind. Scope them a zoom and never the class online. Drive by park the Benz and use on time. Long knife bust throat blood leak like standpipe. Clogs from the upside must be one bad night. Me no carry nothing with rusty and no man style. Spinners alone me no bust for one long while. Yeah.
Once your spinners alone, him no bus for a long while. So you know, say a BMatic him a bus, you know. You see me? Yeah.
Stay on no man style, spinners alone, me no bust for one long while. Yeah. We no join boxing, 40 ball go through flesh and pop ribs, pebble pan skin, not acne. Feel them a killer through them go pan robbery.
Once we no join boxing, brother. Only pop, I know we that brother. A trigger finger play, brother. Him feels him a killer because him go pan a robbery, brother. You're not a killer, you're a thief. Yeah, cause a petty robbery you go pan. You see me? Yeah. Don't market you go rap to all people. You're a petty thief. You're dead.
Ribs, pebble pan skin, not acne. Feel them a killer chuti, but me no bust for one long while. Yeah. We no join boxing, 40 ball go through flesh and pop ribs, pebble pan skin, not acne.
Every pan skin like
Feel them a killer through them go pan robbery. Clip a carry, poison like frog spit, badness no.
Spit a carry pipe. It a carry poison like frog spit. We call it cocobe. It a carry poison like cocobe to blood clot. Over.
Killer through them go pan robbery. Clip a carry, poison like frog spit. Badness no sweet and no strawberry doctrine. Talk about rifles like we have factory. Kill them a poco church and no dopey never mad me.
Kill them a poker church and I don't never mad me.
Talk about rifles like we have factory. Kill them a poco church and no dopey never mad me.
Yeah.
Spain town.
Yo, honestly, missing file. Yo, honestly, I say this. I say it with my chest. I see no artist in the business for war with chronic law lyrically. When I say lyrically, I don't mean the suck out this and the freaky this and the freaky that. No. I mean like lyrics for lyrics. I don't see no artist in the business for war. I swear, I don't see none. I don't see none, brother. I don't see none, bro. That is just my opinion. If you don't want to say a fucking attack in the comment section, that's fine. But I don't see no artists like especially nowadays artists with a war. I don't see none. I don't see none. I don't see none. Yo, that youth a different dog. Like the amount of things where that youth a chat, brother, in a one song, bro. Like the amount of things when I'm getting a one song, it can share for you all 3 songs. I swear. The man full up of similes and metaphors, bro. Full up, dog. Yo, hear me I say. Yo, later. Big up on yourself, later.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.